A district-level science seminar on artificial intelligence potentials and concerns was held yesterday at RMSA Government Secondary School, Jawai. Organized by the District School Education Officer, the seminar featured student representations on the advantages and drawbacks of AI technology. Deputy Commissioner B. Solia highlighted AI's historical application and its potential to address issues like global warming. Certificates were awarded to top performing students, with Gary Rubin Nongplo winning first place.
Intelligence, that we are using this term now, recently. In fact, if I may say so, mankind have toyed, have played, developed, have experimented with artificial intelligence right from when they split the atom. That's artificial intelligence that time, like as we proceeding through the years. In fact, before the advent of the computers, the calculator was already there. I think all of us, we quite elderly, we know that calculator, plus minus, and we do all the calculations. That is artificial intelligence. I think you'll agree with me.